We will investigate the change in total momentum and kinetic energy in a hard crash. Mount a motion sensor at each end of a runway. Connect it to a computer via a data logger interface. Place 2 trolleys on the runway. Run the data logging program and start data recording. Give trolley A a sharp push to make it collide with trolley B. Stop data recording. Try to find out from the graphs the velocities of the trolleys before and after collision. Then add 1 and 2 mass bars to trolley B in turn to double and triple its mass. Find out the total momentum and kinetic energy of the trolleys before and after each collision. What can you observe from the result?